Hi guys, welcome back. Sometimes this happens. You open your Oracle VM VirtualBox and select your Ubuntu machine and click on Start. But at the login screen, you suddenly realize you forgot your password. Now you are completely stuck on the login screen and cannot access your system. So in today's video, I will show you how to reset the Ubuntu password easily without reinstalling Ubuntu and without losing any data. So let's get started. So first, in the top right corner of the VirtualBox window, you will see a power icon. Click on that power icon and you will see three options here. From this option, simply click on Restart. Now a message will appear saying the system will restart automatically in 60 seconds. You don't need to wait, just click on Restart again. Once the system starts booting, keep your attention on the screen. As soon as you see the Oracle VM VirtualBox logo or Ubuntu boot screen, just press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. And after a few seconds, this should bring up the GRUB menu. And if holding the Shift key does not work on your system, don't worry, just pressing the Escape key during the startup. One of these methods will open the GRUB menu successfully. Okay. Now, you can use the arrow key on your keyboard and select Advanced Options for Ubuntu. Then press Enter. Next, you will see a multiple Ubuntu version. So choose the options that says Ubuntu with Linux recovery mode and press Enter. Now you need to wait for a few seconds over here. And a recovery menu will appear. From this list, select root, drop to root shell prompt. Then press Enter. You will now see a command line screen appear at the bottom saying press Enter for maintenance. So just press Enter again. So this is your root shell prompt and this is where you will use the command to reset the password. Okay. By default, Ubuntu opens in a read-only mode. So first, we need to enable write access. So type mount space -o space remount rw space / and press Enter. Once this is done, Ubuntu will allow us to change the password. Now we need to type passwd space username, which is in my case tech Infokart, and press Enter. You just replace username with your actual username in Ubuntu. Okay. So don't worry, all the comments used in this video are listed in the video description below for your easy reference. Now Ubuntu will ask you to enter a new password. So type your new password. You will not see anything while typing. This is completely normal in Linux. Just press Enter. Then type the password again to confirm. If everything is correct, you will see a message password updated successfully. Now you need to simply restart the system. So for that you need to type reboot and press Enter. After restart, Ubuntu will return to the login screen again. Now you need to enter your newly created password and you should successfully log in to your Ubuntu desktop again. No reinstall, no data loss, and your system is fully accessible. As you can see, it is extremely easy to change Ubuntu password even you have forgotten it. This method works both on VirtualBox and physical computer running Ubuntu. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tech guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.